Dear friends, this is Srinivasan who is having more than 30 years experiences in the construction industries trying to present you a small presentation on how to do the scaffolding in a project. Introduction. Scaffolding is a temporary 3D structure erected for construction and repair works of structures. It works as a ladder, provides working platform as well as material and equipments. Areas of applications. Building works. In building works, plastering, concreting, glazing, painting and other works which is to be worked in the higher elevations. Construction of water tanks, reactors, treatment plants, almost all construction works which is having a height of more than 2.5 meter. Basic structure. A scaffolding is consists of the basic structure which is having a base plate at the bottom of the vertical mullions and which is known as a standard, and there is a ledger which is connecting the vertical mullions and the putlocks. The putlocks which will be connecting the both the horizontal mullions to avoid any lateral movements. Materials. It can be a timber, steel. In steel it can be a black or a galvanized one, aluminum or any other suit. Components of a scaffolding. Bamboos or a metal tubes, base plate which has been used for a metal tubes, couplers and jute. Couplers has been used for connecting the metal tubes, jute is for tying the bumper members. Working platform which is known as a decking also. Design aspects. Steel scaffolding. It is based on British Standard 5973 12811 Part 1 2003. Timber scaffolding is based on British Standard 2482. Some of the thumb rules in India. The vertical mullions when we are using the Casheriana poles, it should be a 3 to 4 inches dia. Load carrying capacity will be 350 kgs. Free from cracks, bends and raps. Steel pipe scaffolding. Steel type scaffolding as per IS 1161 is as follows. If the dia is 50 to 60 millimeter and the class is light, the thickness will be 2.9 millimeter. Weight per kg per centimeter square is equal to 4.08. CSA per square centimeter 1711. In the case of medium, it will be 3.6 thickness, 5.09 weight per kg per centimeter, and 1667 is the CSA. In case of heavy, it should be 4.5 kg. 4.5 is the thickness in millimeter. 6.19 is the kg per centimeter. 1611 is the CSA per square centimeter. If the pipe is 65 to 76.1, light will be 5.71, 7.30, 2.189. Medium will be 6.48, 8.2 and 2163, which means a thickness, weight per kg per centimeter square and CSA per square centimeter respectively. Suspended scaffolding. This is generally nowadays been mainly used for cleaning the external cladding, external facade and etc. It's required a less erection time, multiple erection is possible, less accidents, comfort increases the productivity. Avoid patching work in walls. Couplock scaffolding. This is the image of a couplock scaffolding which is having a pipes and which has been connected with a couplock things. This is a couplock which can be categorized 90 degrees, fill coupler, etc., which will be explained in the next pages. It gives you a fast erection and dismantling. Can be used for centering also. H-frame scaffolding. H-frame scaffolding is look like this. It's at a Dimensions will be 2 meters by 1.1 and etc. as per the manufacturer specifications. It will be look like this, which will be connected with the tie bracing and everything. You can put a wheel at the bottom so that you can move it as a movable scaffolding for any other works. Better lateral stability because as it has been tied with the bracings. Faster erection, can be folded so that it will not occupy major spaces. Couplers. This coupler is known as the right angle coupler, wherein you can connect it to a vertical member, the horizontal members. This is known as a swivel couplers. You can connect it vertical, horizontal at any directions. And this is a padlock, which has been connecting the horizontal member to the lateral members. Dimensioning. This is known as a H-frame dimensioning. This is the base lift, which I am talking about at the bottom. Transom spacing, which is known as a padlock system. This is the lift height between the bottom to top. Scaffolding will be between the two frames. Bay length will be from one vertical member to the other vertical members. It will have a guardrails to protect it so that nobody can fall it out. Toe board so that you can fix it up perfectly. It is a 1000 millimeter from the toe board to the guardrail, and toe board to guardrail, toe board top to guardrail will be 750 mm, and between the two bracings it will be 470 mm. That is supposed to be the maximum. Dimension and purpose and maximum limit. Bay length in general it will be 2.1. Heavy works it is 1.8. For inspection it will be 2.7. Scaffolding width in general it will be 8.870. Heavy works it should be 600. Base lift for all purposes it should be 2.2. Lift height all purpose will be 1500 mm. Transom spacing 40 mm platform 1.2, 50 mm platform 2.5, 63 mm platform 3.25, which has been shown in the earlier images. Kindly refer the earlier images. Specification again continued. Again, for foundation, odd and paved surfaces, 200 by 200 metal base plate. Soft ground, it is 300 by 300 by 35 sole plate. Guardrails, all purpose, at every 450 mm from platform up to 1 meter height. Toe board, all 250 mm for all platform. Ties at every 4 meter. Kindly ensure this. This is giving the stability to your safety aspects. Design, rest on ground foundation, base should be in a level. In couplock, check interlocking. It is the most critical subject. Plumb should lean towards the building. Make sure it is done. Safety aspects continuation. Should be tied to the structure. Area should be barricaded so that no unwanted incidents can happen. Provide cascading for greater than 30 meter height. Use personal protective equipments. Checking very frequently to ensure that entire scaffolding is being intact. Commercial aspects. Cost of purchases. It will be rupees 60 to 62 rupees per kg. Cost of hiring. Vertical will be 60 rupees per month per number. Horizontal 35 rupees per month per number. These prices has to be checked at your location, at your project for deriving the final cost. Commercial aspect. Daily wages system. For erection of the scaffolding, foreman will given you 300 rupees per day. Worker will be 150 rupees per day. Measurement system. Assembly and dismantling on area basis, rupees 6 per square meter. Volume basis, 14 rupees per cubic meter. Extra for bracing is 3 rupees per square meter. Once again, kindly check the rates of your labor at your project, at your locations. Popular brands in the scaffolding system. Doka, Cosmos, Universal Construction Equipments, Tejas Industries, Shakti Star Scaffolding, and British Scaffoldings. Acknowledgement. References, Wikipedia.org, you can find it from there. SP70, Special Publication for Safety. IS 1161, Steel Pipe Design. Thank you for watching this presentation. In case you like this presentation, kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram group. The link is as follows. Thank you once again for watching this presentation. Looking forward to see you in the next presentation.